Hi there. If you're watching this, you might be going through a tough time with your property, and we're here to help. We know it's not just about fixing property, it's about getting you back to normal life and making sure that we preserve your memories and your comfort.
At Allied Restoration, day one is about setting the foundation for a swift and efficient restoration process. Let me give you a sneak peek into how we will bring your home back to its peak condition. Our moisture meter and thermal camera are like our secret weapons. These advanced tools allow us to detect even the smallest traces of moisture, ensuring no hidden damage goes unseen. Our tools help us see what's often invisible, tracking down the moisture that hides in your home, threatening the comfort and safety. We'll dive deeper into how these work in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned.
Next, our powerful dehumidifiers and strategically placed fans become the heartbeat of the restoration process. They work harmoniously to draw out excess moisture and accelerate the drying process, while minimizing disruption to your daily routine. Building materials may appear dry to the touch or eye, but we will ensure all excess moisture is pulled out of the home in order to prevent more costly repairs down the road.
Protecting your precious flooring and keeping the dust at bay is a non-negotiable for us. We use premium floor protection to safeguard your surfaces, to ensure your surroundings stay pristine throughout.
We understand that undergoing restoration can often cause discomfort, especially when it comes to noise. But worry not. Our expert technicians are well trained to minimize noise and disruption. Your comfort is paramount to us.
If you have any questions or need immediate assistance, don't hesitate to reach us. We're here for you 24/7.